Okay, guys. This video is on how to install PageFly into your Shopify store. So all you need to do is to click on this app section here, and just type in PageFly. You have it there. Click on it. So now we are in the PageFly installation dashboard. So you click on install. Okay, so you finally click on install to give final permission. Click on the store button right here. So you click on this pin icon to pin into your Shopify dashboard, so you don't have to search it out anytime you need it. So click on PageFly, Page Builder. Let's cancel this out. So the Page Builder, Page 5 Page Builder dashboard is loading up. Okay, what do we have here? Get started with PageFly. PageFly will enable PageFly theme extension. Okay, this to enable it on your Shopify store. Accept all cookies. Ensure these two checkboxes are clicked. Then click on next. Okay. So here we have um, what would you like to build first? AI sales page, regular page, home page, product page. So if you want to chat with a customer service, you can do that here. We have You can build several type of page. For this tutorial, let me just quickly show you an overview. Let's build a home page type. Then you have an option to start creating. Let's click on this button. Okay, now it's going to take us into the PageFly editor. Let's close this out. Okay, so this icon on the left here where you have my cursor is your page content. The next one is elements. The next one is the apps you can use on your PageFly editor. The next one is templates, pre-built templates to make your building process fast. So you just make some changes like the text, the images, the colors, and all that. So okay, choose this. Okay, this is a image to play page image to image to layout. I think page planner has an image to layout feature. That's awesome. This is for SEO optimization check to see how your page is performance on the SEO search engine. So next one is our settings. You can title your page here. Let's give our page a title. Let's just call it my home page. This is just to help you identify your page. Okay, let's click on save. Let's say my home page. Let's click on save. Okay, what do we have next? This A and B testing. Maybe you want to test the performance of two separate pages you've created based on their conversion rate. This is the version history. You could check changes on your store. This is the custom code editor. You can paste in codes. Background processor, and we have open live chat as we want to talk to a customer service agent. So for elements, the first thing you will need is elements. Just click on this one right here, this icon right here. You see elements. So normally in your home page, one of the first elements you want to add is It's a blank section. So let's drag this one in for our hero banner. Okay, so what we can do here, you click on it and you go to the settings on the right. That's where you can bring in an image. So let's search down, let's go down, click on styling. Okay, you can see background image. You click on it, you can upload an image from your computer. No image found. There are no images here. Please upload to add to the page. You can add from a URL. Let's just do that quickly. Let's see if we can add from a URL. Let me show you how to add from a URL. Let's just go to a page. Okay, so what you do here is you copy image address. Click on it. Go back to PagFly. Okay. Okay. Let's click on add URL. So let's paste the URL we just copied. Add image. So it's going to download the image. Okay. So we can select the image now and click on done to ensure it's saved. So what you do now is that the only thing you do now is just to create some padding so the image can get more widened. So let's give this one 450 at the top and the 50 at the bottom. Okay, let's try 70. Okay, let's try 100 so we have more of our image visible. Okay, this is looking good. Okay, so what we can do here, we can add we can add elements to our page. So what elements do we want to add? Let's add a header. You see here we have so many elements we can use here. We have the tabs, we have the accordion, that's if you want to create an FAQ section. We have the slide, we have the content list when you want to showcase features of a product. We have the heading, the paragraph. So yeah, let's just drag in an heading element, click on it. What format do you want to, what layout? Let's take this one, drag it in here. Okay, and double click on it to change the text. uh, let's say awesome earphone. Earphone. Okay, so let's go to styling. Let's go and change the color. Okay, this is the state. You can give it some styling based on the normal state. You can give it styling based on mouse over or active state. Let's just use the normal state. You can increase the height. Let's change the color. I think we should leave it, but let me just show you an example on changing the color. And change it to this and change it to this. So let's leave it at black. Okay, so you can also increase the margin, the padding. You can change the font family. Select the one you prefer. You can increase the font size using the slider. Okay, let's leave it at 20px. So now let's go back to our elements. Let's look for a button. Okay, click on the button. What style of button do you need? You can use the one with the icon with the text. Let's take just a simple button, drag it under. So let's change the text on the button. Let's say buy now, like a call to action. Buy now. Okay, so that's just a simple button. Okay, let's try to change the styling of the button. Okay, let's change the let's go down. Let's change the background color. Currently is on gray. Let's change the background color to black. Click on it. Let's change it to this one. Okay, that's better. Okay, so next under it, let's go to elements. So uh okay, templates. Let's go to layout. Okay, now let's use a two column layout. Okay, let's have it. You can see where you have the plus flex section, you leave it there. Okay, we drag it in. What do you want to be here? Let's say we want to add an image on the left. Click on it. Um, let's go again to elements. Let's drag in uh, image element. Okay, what type do you want to drag in? Let's drag in this one. Okay, so let's add an image to it. Select image. Okay, so let's add from our computer. Let me add this one. Okay, while that is loading up, let's just proceed to do other things. So let's drag in let's drag in heading a heading element. Drag in a heading element, and let's drag in beneath it, let's drag in a paragraph. Let's drag in a paragraph, so you ensure it's directly underneath it, like that. Yes. Okay, let's drag in a button. Okay, sorry, let's drag in a button. Click on it. Let's use a button with an icon. Okay, let's drag it in there. Okay, click on the entire section. Let's see. Okay, let's do it this way. So let's add an image. Select image. Okay, let's take this one. Click on done. Okay, click on done. Okay, let's click on the button. So you can choose the button type. If you want it to be product add to cart button, product view details button, you can always change it to that type. So let's go to the styling. Okay, so let's change the background color of the button. Let's change it to black. Okay, you can select the background image for your button. Okay, now for the icon, you can position the icon and the text where you want it to be. You can position it to the right. It's going to change. Select an action, what you want the button to do. Go to URL. You can select this, paste in the URL you want, where you want the select URL, you paste in the URL right here where you want the button to link to navigate to. Okay. Okay, so you can click on the icon, select what type of icon. You can hide the icon here, check it. Okay, so you can select the icon here, what icon you want. Select icon. So what icon do you want? Search. Let's just use an arrow icon. Okay, let's use a right arrow. So that changes. You click on done. Okay. So in okay, let's work on this. Let's see if we can make an adjustment to this. Okay, you can do position. Let's try contain. Okay, see contain is better and centers. So let's click on save. Okay, so let's round it up on this video. I just needed to show you how to install PageFly into your Shopify store and go over the PageFly editor. Okay, before I go, to publish your page, you can always preview first of all, see what your page will look like, and also you will need your page password here. Okay, so that's one you get from your Shopify account. Let me show you how to get it. To get your password, just go to your Shopify dashboard. Okay, click on let me see, online store. Okay, on see password. Okay, copy your password, paste it, and click on enter. Let's publish it. Okay, see it here published. Let's preview. Okay, that's it. That's it. So this is just a very simple and short video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.